Hello guys, so this is a Dollar Tree earbud review from eCircuit. These earbuds are. I bought them at a Dollar Tree for around $1, and they come with a carrying case there, and they have actual ear tips, so they look pretty decent quality. Also, I'm using the Moto G5 for this video. If you want more videos like these of like really cheap, inexpensive earbuds, then like and subscribe and comment down below what videos you'd want in the future. So yeah, let's get into this. First, let's get into the specs. So this has a 10mm speaker, 90 decibel sensitivity, 320 ohms. It's 320 ohms. It goes from 20 to 20,000 hertz frequency range. It has a 3.5mm plug and is stereo. Also, comes with a carrying case, so yeah. Okay guys, I also just figured out the Moto G5 has flash video, which is kind of cool for lighting. But yeah, here it has a pretty cheap but hard plastic case. Comes with 6 ear tips, 3 for each side, and comes with a decently long, flat but cheap cable. You know it's cheap when you can see both wires for the stereo there. First thing is the earbuds. The earbuds themselves feel like quality, and the ear tips that are preloaded on them do too. And they look like they have a pretty nice design there. But this cable is like as cheap as those $5 earbuds, which I guess isn't to complain for $1. So yeah. Also, if you want a smaller sized ear tip, the smaller sized ones are in different colors. So if you care about just like ear tip color also, then hopefully these regular black ones fit you. So these earbuds, they sound pretty good. They don't separate. Like one side is a bit quieter than the other, but they sound pretty good. For $1, of course. But like some sounds that come out of it are like a little painful to your ears. But all in all, they sound pretty good.